So this is Onitsha Enugu Express. Then that place is brown roof. Inside here you get to green roof and other. We'll be driving now to Gulf Annex. So stay tuned. So all these houses you're seeing here is inside Green Roof Estate, RCC. Then this road leads to Gulf Estate. This road leads to Gulf Estate. So I'm showing you the proximity so you know where we are. If you're watching from the diaspora, so you know exactly where we are, okay? So, because so many people don't know Gulf Annex and Blossom Estate, so they are very close, but very, very close. You would hardly, like if you're in Blossom and you throw a stone, it will go to Gulf Annex. Okay. So this is the entrance to Gulf Annex. So it has this dual carriage road that Blossom will also have. Yeah, this dual carriage road. Blossom will also have the dual carriage road. Wow. The road is blocked. The road, this is the entrance. Okay, well done. Kebe si agazia. Kebe si abaye. Gulf Annex. I can dey kun choy beside down. Once was si abia. Okay. So let's take the other road. So all this place is Gulf Annex. All this place. But some part of the road is bad. But especially by my right hand side, the roads are more that are already tarred. This one, I don't know why they didn't tie it to this side. As you can see here, this one is already tarred. So lands around here is still selling for 20 million per 600 square meters, 500 square meters, depending on the location, right? So land here are still selling. You can see this one is also tagged. So let me use this opportunity to show you this duplex we are planning to sell. It's already on sales, but after I show you the duplex, we'll come down and drive, you know, around the tarred road, right? Exactly. So this duplex we have for sale here is going for 190 million naira. If you go back to my other videos, you would see where I did a comprehensive video. This is actually the duplex. It's going for 190 million. So let me turn here. So all this place you are seeing now is called Annex, and you can see the massive buildings there. But let me just drive around the third road so you get to, you know, see for yourself. But lands are mostly in this axis. There's still lands there, but not much anymore. Yeah, not much anymore. So, but let's just drive around here so you get to see how the estate looks like, and if it's something you would like to, you know, get involved in. So that's it for now. Here I come to the end of this video, and thanks for watching. And if you have any question you want to ask, you can leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to buy land here, just hit me up with the number somewhere on the screen to get started.